Hello students, this video will walk you through how to register for your math class that will be continuing online. First, you want to go to www.mymathlab.com. If you already have an account, you would sign in as using your account. If you don't have your account, then you want to create a new account. So I'm going to create a new account. So I would go to register now. If you notice, it says students here, get registered. You're going to need 3 items: an email address, your instructor's course ID, and an access code or credit card payment. The course would be free of charge, so you do not need to enter your credit card information. Your course ID should begin with your instructor's last name and followed by some numbers. And the access code that will allow you to register without paying is going to look something like this. Yours might be different. So we click on OK, register now. I'm going to enter the course ID. Click on continue. And if your course is accepting registrations, you should be able to see it here. Let me try again with another course ID. Okay, so let me try Chuka 13535. Press continue. And so if you notice, it's going to tell me that the course is here. It's taught by Yvette Chuka, and it's going to have all your details. Since I don't have an account, I'm going to go ahead and create an account. So you would enter your email address, and so you would enter all this information in here, and then you're going to click on agree. And since I might already have these accounts, let me just try to log in with them. Okay, let me just try to create it with my email from work. Okay, I already have one. Okay, so we enter our username and our password. Click on sign in. So at this point, you'll be asked to register for or to pay for your course. So you can click on access code. And so this is where you're going to enter that code that your teacher is going to give you. So let me go grab the code. So I just copied. So I'm going to say finish. And since I'm an instructor and I use my instructor login, I was not able to register. But once you register, you just click on finish, and it's going to take you to your course. Okay, so now let me show you what your course is going to look like. When you log in, you should see your course listed here. Click on your course. And all your content for the class is located in chapter contents. And so depending on the section your instructor tells you to work on, you can click on, for example, chapter 7 under the section. If you click on student notes, it's a really nice way to prepare for the section. Basically, you can print this out or take notes on your own paper. But anywhere you see a little play button here, you can watch the video and work it out with the person on the video. Then you can try one by yourself, and then you can check to see if you got it correct. So this document contains all the sections for chapter 7. So for example, this is 7.2. And so once you print it out, or you can take notes on your own paper, you can click on watch the video. Okay, you can click on each objective here, or you can watch the entire video. Notice that the examples that Martin Gay uses here are the examples that are located in the notebook. So if I scroll back up, you'll see that same example. Okay. So now if I go back, the e-text, that is just there as practice. This is basically your textbook. And inside of the textbook, you actually have more videos of the examples in your book. And the study plan is just a tool that will allow you to practice some more questions here. Once you feel comfortable with the section, then you can click on homework. And you will see your assignments listed here for that section and the other sections. If you want to go to a different chapter, you can right here. So every chapter is going to be the same. You'll have your organizer, and then you can press on the video and then do the homework. Another great tool that you have here, you can also click on assignments, and it's going to list all your assignments. Your gradebook will show you your grades. The e-text will show you the textbook. The video organizer has all the notes that I showed you earlier. Then there's some student success tip videos. These are 3 to 4 minute videos that help students, give students success tips. And it also has your solutions manual here. So you can look at the problems from the book and try to check your answers. You have a tools for success. In this, you can find things to review with. You have flashcards. You have some activities, and then a calculator guide. But one of the most important tools that you have here is a multimedia library. If you click on it, you can select any chapter that you're working on. And if you want to see the PowerPoints, you can click on a section. For that section, it's try 6.2. Click select all. And here it's going to list animations. These are just like fun little animations. It has prep videos. It has the textbook. And it has the videos here. In some cases, you might also see PowerPoints. So it just depends on each textbook. You have a discussion tool. And so this is how you would navigate it. Now, once you have assignments in here, let me go to a different course that has an assignment. And when you're working on your homework, if I click on a question, the question's going to have some really helpful tools. If you notice on the right, it says question help. If I click on that, I can click view an example. And so this example is similar to the one you're working on. And it's going to help you with the question you're working on. You can click on help me solve this. And this is an interactive question. It's going to ask you to input answers that you think are happening. If you get it right or wrong, it'll tell you. So let me just guess at these numbers. And then it's going to tell you why it's wrong. And then you also have ask my instructor. If you don't understand the question, you can say, please help me with this question. And it's going to send an email with the question to your instructor. So these are the tools that you can use to help you with those homework assignments. I hope this video helps you to navigate your MyMathLab course.